4 pieces of advice that changed my mentality. 1. Stop being afraid to spend money. You go out and spend $100 on good food and drinks, so what? You had a good time with your friends. You spend $1,000 to travel, so what? Your time on this planet is a gift. You can always get back money, but you can't get back time. 2. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is believing that love is finding the right person. In reality, love is about becoming the right person. Don't go looking for the person you want to spend the rest of your life with. Become the person you want to spend the rest of your life with. The people who deserve you will naturally gravitate towards you. 3. 85 to 90% of life is just showing up. That's it. If you show up, there's a chance that something might happen. You must leave your comfort zone and try new things, because truly, you'll never know what opportunities you're missing out on until you just go out and do it. Lastly, 4. You will always have problems. You will always have some sort of conflict going on in your life. You must learn to enjoy life while still solving them. There is beauty in everything we experience. You just need to adjust your perception. You can either cry in the storm or dance in the rain.